hair like me, I just want to tell you about a product that I've been using for the past week. Maybe like every other day. I haven't even been using it every day. It is this one. It's called the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair Protein Recharge, and it is a leave-in conditioner. So here are some pictures of before I started using it.
As you can see, my hair looks very dry, damaged, and frizzy.
And here's my hair after using it. As you can see, the curls are becoming more defined. And honestly, I have absolutely no product in my hair right now. I showered last night and I put the leave-in conditioner in my hair, this one again. And as you can see, my hair is always frizzy. That I'm working on. But my curls, they are so much more defined. To be honest with you guys, I am so impressed with this product that I bought more and I started using it on my son. His hair is pretty curly, very frizzy, so we'll see how that goes. As you can see, this is how his hair is. Look down a little bit. And I just put it in this morning after he took a shower. And that's all he has in his hair right now. So we'll see. Hopefully it'll work for him too. Alright guys, so one last time, it is the L'Oreal Paris Elvive, the leave-in conditioner. On the back it says that it does have almond and protein. It is for less breakage, split ends, weak hair, rough hair, dull hair, and to help dehydrate hair.
And it's the best thing in the world.
So if you give it a try, let me know what you think about it and if it worked for you as well. Bye!